ano dito, te? Oh, that's pretty. Got myself flowers. Orchid. There's a lot of flowers everywhere because it's All Souls Day tomorrow. I got myself flowers. I'm waiting for her again. Hello to my orchids. We're inside the mall because it's like the Halloween. There are a lot of kids. I hate it. Nakikisali kami sa mga bata. Yung mga bata, sinisingitang ko. Bakit? I deserve a good photo. So we're going to Inasal because I need to eat a lot first. She doesn't like eating much. I will eat. So I ate my lunch and now we started strolling. Look at her. We're inside the Payless. Payless but pay more. What?
Payless.
You did?
Yeah, because I don't have it.
Sure ka? So we're at the bookstore. Book sale. And we love spicy stuff. As always. We're going to the next location to like stroll again and not buy anything. Good job. Girl, ano pang gagawin natin?
Oh, let's go. Hanapin na natin yung mall.
Agad-agad?
Yeah.
Okay. We are looking for a mall na I brought her there daw. The thing is, she only knows what she bought there. And not kung saan ba talaga yun. There's so many mall around here. Like, saan ko dadalhin tong taong to? Like, girl, come on. Hi guys, so we're somewhere down the road and I'm tired and this girl is not tired. And I don't know what to do with my life. In conclusion, anong conclusion? Napagod kami.
That's the purpose today.
And we're gonna go home to her place. I'm gonna have an overnight with her, though I don't have any clothes because I don't know. Let's go!
Bagong iPhone.
Kami ni Evan, it's not like the dating stage that I really started. Kasi nga, hindi ko siya type din.
Ipaglaban mo.
Tignan mo, ang bastos sila. Tapos ano, pagkapagalan si Kuya Evan sa bahay, tapos sabi niya, hindi niya pala type.